how to leave a Discord server on mobile. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. And so first process is you have to go to your Discord app, and then what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and then you end up with this page. And then here you can see in the left side you can see all your server here. And but in my case there is only one server, so when you can switch, and then what you have to do is when you have to click on the three dots of your server in the top left corner. So you have to click on the three dots of your server in the top left corner, and then you have to click on the settings. After that you have to you come to this page. You have to again click on the three dots in the top right corner, and there is the option of delete server. So you have to click on the delete server, and then you have to click on the delete it. And then here you can see you can tell us more, you can say them the region. And so that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.